Hello guys, and welcome back to this video tutorial on EduTech channel. On today's video, I'll be designing a login form or a signing form using HTML and CSS, and this will look like Twitter login. And if you wish to design this beautiful login form on your own, keep watching this video to the end. And as you can see, I have my folder here, the index, the CSS, and the folder for the image. Yeah, the images I'll be used to accomplish this design. So all right, let me open my HTML and the CSS on the code studio. So here's my HTML and here's the CSS, and I've specified this here for inside the CSS page. So here's the link to the style, the CSS. So I will just come down here to type the body and just specify the background color. So I love it to dark little bit. So let's check that. Let me open the live server, check that works. So that, as you can see as the background, everything looks dark little. So let's come back here and create the div for the login box. So now I'll be creating the images for the sign and other stuff like that. So I'll be input everything in between the div here. So the image for the here's the logo, the Twitter logo. So I'll be input it here, and all right, the header 2 for the sign to Twitter, the text that will be under the Twitter logo. As you can see that on my web server in my browser. So that is it. So let's go back to the code. Yeah, I'll just copy that and go back to the CSS, paste this here, and specify all the necessary stuff here. Right, as you can see, my background, the color is right, the padding, 30 pixel, the 120 pixel. As you can see, that the padding, the width is 550, the position is absolute, the top, the 50, the left, the transform. That translate the text align, everything will be in the center, and the border radius that'll be 10 pixels for the curve. Later, let's check that out. As you can see, here's the Twitter logo, here's the signing to Twitter. As you can see, the white background, you can see the curve around the edges. So all right, let's go back. Okay, all right, so just go back to the HTML code and come down here and then pull the button. Yeah, so that'll be signed with Google. Okay, I just specify the image here. So that will be image. Here will be the Google image for the sign with Google. So as you can see, that's the link to the image. I'll copy that there and I change this Google to Apple. So sign it with Apple. So I'll put Apple here. Right. Right. So as you can see, here's the what we just did. Here's sign with Google, sign with Apple. So that's it. So let's go back and make it look beautiful. Let's go back to our CSS. Just copy that logo, paste it down here, and just specifying the unnecessary. So the width will be 30 pixel. The the margin bottom will be 20 pixel. So let me just come back in and okay, that will be login box header 2. So the margin bottom will be 20 pixel as well. So as you can see the margin under, so that's the margin and the margin at the at the top of the logo. So I'll copy that down there and put the button. So I want to give the button a design that will be beautiful with the images, the image. So the width will be 18 pixel, the margin right, the margin on the right will be 10 pixel. As you can see, I love this. As you can see, everything looks perfect. See, all right. So I'll copy that, and this will be for the button, the width 100, the padding 10. All right, right, right. Now the padding 10 pixel. The um Alright, the display will be flexy, the align item center, the justify counter will be centered, um, the margin will be 20 pixel 0, the border radius that's 30 pixel, the background will be transparent, the border will be 1 pixel solid with the color, the font width another. So as you can see, everything looks perfect. Everything look perfect using the CSS. So let's come back here and I'll just put my href. So the spam or right, the href. So the border will be 0, the height will be 1 pixel, the background specify the color. So the margin will be 5 pixel. So I copy that. Yeah, that's the spam for the earth. So the display will be black. The width will be 40 pixel. The margin will be auto. So the background, I leave that one as white. The font size will be 14 pixel. So the margin tab, that's minus 16 pixel. So as you can see that it looks perfect. The hole is in between the horizontal line. So we use the href. So it looks perfect. So let's go back to our HTML and come down there. So the form is form action. So in between the form, I will have the input, which will the tab will be text, the placeholder will be phone, email, or username. So the button, right? So as you can see that it looks perfect. So let's go back to CSS and make that one beautiful. So the login box input. So the width will be 100%. The background I'll leave down to be transparent. The border that will be one solid the outline. The padding that will be 15 and 10 pixel. The border radius the 4 pixel. So the margin that will be 10 pixels. So as you can see, everything looks perfect inside the input. They look perfect inside. Right, right. Let's come down here. There will be placeholder. So the font width will be 500. The color, so that will be black. The place of that what is written inside the box. So I'm the login box form, which is the button, and the button um the form, the button on that. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So that the background color. So the color leave down there. So the border will be 0. The margin bottom will be 15 pixel. As you can see, the background color is black, and the color for the text is white. You see, everything looks perfect. All right. So just come down and create another button. Forgot password. As you can see that. So that's for the forgotten password. Forgot your password. Um, so I will just type for the paragraph, which is the P. Don't have an account. Space that's the link. So just type sign up here. Yep. So don't have an account, sign up here. So let's go back to our CSS. So login box, paragraph. So the text will be line left. The font size will be 14 pixel. The color, so the margin, or the login box, the links, the text will be decoration. The text decoration will be none. The color, right? Specify the color. So let's come back and check it out. So as you can see, everything looks perfect. Yeah, everything looks perfect like the Twitter login form. So that will be for this video tutorial. And if you love this, kindly give us a like and kindly subscribe to our channel to see the new upload.